This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Remove the screw retaining the tail light housing fastener. Remove the tail light housing from the body, then rotate it to access the bulbs. Rotate the bulb holder counterclockwise, then pull it out of the housing. Replace the bulb by pulling it straight out, then pushing the new bulb into the holder firmly. Install the bulb holder into the housing and rotate it clockwise until it is secure. Install the tail light housing onto the body, inserting the upper tab first, then securing the housing with the screw fastener.